Hey Corey, what's up?
Nothing much. You know, we're sitting here, we're cooking.
What you making?
We're making baby back ribs. Earlier, I cut these, and y'all can follow us on Facebook. See me cut these. These actually, like, they're hard, but they're not hard. They're kind of easy. Alright, so
what are you doing now?
I'm putting mustard on it to make it like a glue. Ooh.
Ew. Ew, yucky.
Okay, now we gotta rub that in. Ooh. Look at that.
Now, do you think the mustard's going to give it flavor?
I think it is.
It's gross.
Alright, that's good and even over here. So we're gonna go on to this one. And then we're gonna I think that's a good amount.
Sure, I'm watching you.
Ooh, that might be too much. Might get that over there.
Because you said this is acting as the glue, right?
Yucky.
Yes.
So what goes after this?
No yucky food.
Seasoning comes after this. So this, it'll keep the seasoning on it. Because if we move this around, all the seasoning is gonna fall. So we wanna use this as the glue so it'll stay on.
Ew, yucky. That's yucky.
That's what I'm starting.
It looks interesting.
You got a lot to do.
You want to get around these edges because you don't want it just in the middle.
Grandma, can I hold it, Grandma? Can I hold it for Grandma?
This is his little brother,
Grandma.
but we're trying to teach you how to cook baby back ribs, so that's why he's not holding the camera, because we don't want to miss anything that Chef Corey's doing. This is